In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to set pipeline rules for custom objects in HubSpot step by step. If you're using custom objects like projects, applications, orders, or any other tailored data structure in HubSpot, setting up proper pipeline rules is essential to keep your process clean, consistent, and automated. By the end of this video, you'll know how to access your custom object settings, configure pipelines, and set required properties and automations for each stage. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more HubSpot tutorials. Now, let's get started. The first thing you need to do is go to your custom object settings. Log into HubSpot and click on the settings icon in the top navigation bar. That's the gear icon in the upper right corner. Once you're inside settings, look at the left-hand sidebar and click on Objects. Under Objects, you'll see a list of standard objects like contacts and companies, along with any custom objects your account has created. Select the custom object you want to configure. For example, this could be projects, applications, orders, or any other object your team uses to track processes. Once you click into your custom object, you'll be taken to its configuration area where you can manage properties, associations, and pipelines. This is where the real customization begins. Next, you need to open the Pipeline section for that custom object. Inside the Object Settings, click on the Pipelines tab. Here, you can create a new pipeline if you want separate workflows for different processes, or you can edit an existing pipeline. You'll also see options to rename stages, reorder them, and adjust how records move from one stage to another. Pipelines are especially powerful because they visually represent your operational process, and stage rules ensure that your data stays structured and accurate. Now let's configure pipeline stage rules. Inside your selected pipeline, click the Edit Stages button. This will display all the stages in that pipeline. Click on any individual stage to configure its rules. One of the most important features here is setting required properties. When you click on a stage, scroll down until you see the section labeled Required Properties. This allows you to choose specific fields that must be completed before a record can move into that stage. For example, if you're managing projects, you might require a budget field or start date before moving into an approved stage. If you're managing applications, you might require an email, status, or review score before advancing. This prevents incomplete records from progressing and keeps your pipeline clean and standardized. In addition to required fields, you can also configure automations based on stage changes. HubSpot allows you to trigger actions when a record enters a stage. These actions can include creating follow-up tasks for your team, sending internal notifications to managers, automatically updating properties, or triggering workflows if you're using a professional or enterprise plan. Stage-based automation reduces manual work and ensures that no step in your process gets missed. Take your time reviewing each stage and applying the appropriate rules. Think about what information must be captured before progressing, and what actions should automatically happen at each milestone. Once you're done configuring everything, make sure to save your changes. And that's it. You've successfully set pipeline rules for custom objects in HubSpot. By configuring required properties and stage-based automations, you can enforce data consistency, improve reporting accuracy, and streamline your entire process. If this video helped you, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step HubSpot tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.